The corporate month-end close rarely feels like standard financial analysis. For most finance teams, it is a chaotic, high-stakes survival test. The volume of transactions rapidly exceeds a team's capacity for manual review. When you combine thousands of raw ledger entries with cross-departmental data lags, like waiting on sales to log deals or operations to submit receiving reports, visibility vanishes into what accountants call the black hole effect. The cost of that lost visibility is severe. In 1994, a tax accountant at Fidelity's Magellan Fund missed a minus sign on a capital loss. That single keystroke error created a $1.3 billion phantom gain, leading the company to announce a massive dividend distribution it couldn't actually pay. In 2012, JP Chase suffered a $6.2 billion loss after a trader manually copied and pasted data into an Excel risk model. A broken formula divided by the sum of two rates instead of their average, drastically understating the portfolio's actual risk. Fidelity and JP demonstrate that when a multi-billion-dollar outcome rests on a single unverified cell, the risk is existential. These errors are the result of treating the close as a collection of isolated tasks rather than a manufacturing process that requires standardized quality control. The monthly close survival framework is a 10-day timeline used by high-performing teams to eliminate chaos. It features 3 phases: pre-close, execution, and narrative. Winning the close starts early. Phase 1 is defensive engineering, running from day -3 to day 0. During this window, the controller leads a pre-close sync to lock in the calendar. The accounting team enforces strict data cutoff deadlines, sending notifications to non-finance departments to ensure sales finalizes contracts and procurement submits pending vendor bills. Elite teams also use this time to establish rigid role clarity. Every task on the close checklist gets a designated owner to prepare the data and a separate reviewer to sign off, building a robust maker-checker environment. Upfront defensive engineering is the only way to shorten the overall close cycle without compromising the integrity of the data. The timeline shifts to Phase 2, the execution sprint. This 5-day window focuses on capturing and locking transactional data. Traditional accounting creates a massive workload spike on day 5. Modern teams enforce a continuous close, maintaining a smooth, manageable workload curve daily. To manage this continuous sprint, teams replace fragile Excel spreadsheets with dedicated close tracker software. This control center uses hard-linked dependencies, preventing a reviewer from signing off until the preparer attaches their evidence. Every manual journal entry must pass a 5-point sanity checklist. Controllers verify the cutoff timing, attached support, account classification, auto-reversal settings, and overall materiality to stop the need for constant reclassifications after the books close. Standardized execution eliminates the fire drill mentality, preventing accountants from having to play detective at the last minute to track down missing invoices. By day 5, the general ledger is locked. The framework then enters Phase 3, the narrative, where the focus moves away from data entry and shifts entirely to strategic analysis. FP&A performs flux analysis, comparing actual results against budgets to find deviations. To explain anomalies, analysts use a variance analysis template. This matrix isolates how much of a revenue miss was caused by selling fewer units, the volume variance, versus selling at a lower price. Finally, on day 10, the full finance staff holds a retrospective meeting. They review the entire cycle, investigating specific bottlenecks to identify candidates for process improvement or automation. A controlled 10-day execution yields compliant financial statements while providing the high-integrity data needed to construct a strategic narrative that leadership can trust. Curious, stepping back from the manual timeline, autonomous finance uses AI to permanently shorten the monthly close cycle by removing the need for manual data reconciliation. Instead of teams manually ticking and tying spreadsheets, machine learning algorithms analyze historical patterns to instantly auto-match the vast majority of intercompany transactions. This leaves only the complex exceptions for human review. Intelligent optical character recognition tools now read and capture data directly from vendor invoices, automatically coding them to the correct ledger accounts in real time and removing manual data entry bottlenecks. The analysis phase is accelerating too. FP&A teams are feeding trial balances into large language models to instantly write the first drafts of variance commentary, identifying exactly which departments overspent and why. This technology targets the high-stress weekend crunch and manual data entry, shifting the finance team's capacity towards strategic work and internal business partnering. Whether you are closing the books manually or with AI, the golden rule of corporate finance remains the same. A fast close is great, but an accurate, audit-ready close is absolutely non-negotiable. Finance professionals do not survive month-end by working late into the night. They survive it by engineering a standardized, repeatable system.